The Conrad Beijing Hotel is set within a striking 29-story tower designed by mad architects in Beijing's Sanlitun district. The design is distinctive against the shining towers of the nearby business district. From the inside, the views from those huge windows are spectacular. Our executive suite measured around 90 square meters and followed the organic curve of the building. The living room was a sweeping corner space with floor-to-ceiling windows, a large sectional sofa, and a 52-inch television. The space was decorated with contemporary art, small sculptures, and a large orchid. On the coffee table was a wooden glass box with pull-out shelves revealing little ceramic dishes of fresh raspberries, blueberries, and blackberries, alongside handmade cookies decorated with Chinese designs, a bottle of red wine. We were also gifted 2 blue Conrad Beijing bears, each Asian Conrad having its own design. It was a very thoughtful welcome. Executive suite guests have access to the 29th floor executive lounge, and this proved one of the stay's pleasures. Breakfast in the lounge was a more personal affair than the main restaurant, with just a handful of guests enjoying the panoramic views. The selection balanced Chinese dishes, cabbage with mushrooms, sticky rice wrapped in lotus leaves, local yogurt, Iwao cakes, pork dumplings, with a full Western buffet, and a la carte hot dishes. Afternoon tea brought French macarons and petit fours alongside Chinese teas. Chapter: The hotel's all-day restaurant occupies a striking space reminiscent of an antique European library, with a grand staircase, shelves lined with books, and sunlight streaming through tall windows. The breakfast buffet is comprehensive, offering both Western dishes and Chinese staples. The Conrad Beijing suits both business travelers seeking a well-located base near the CBD and leisure visitors wanting comfortable accommodation with genuine 5-star facilities.